Hey, code warriors and app aficionados. Are your apps bulkier than your morning coffee order? Meet Tauri, the lightweight ninja your projects need. Let's unpack Tauri in 100 seconds. Ready? Let's go. Creating a project with Tauri is easier than choosing what to watch on Netflix. Whether you're a bash boss, PowerShell Pro, or swear by NPM, Yarn, PNPM, Deno, Bun, Cargo, or that magical shell script, Tauri welcomes them all. It's like a developer's buffet. Pick whatever tickles your fancy. Front-end independence? Absolutely. React Rockstar, Vue Virtuoso, or Svelte vibes? Tauri doesn't care. Bring your web stack or start fresh. No front-end jealousy here. Freedom to code without commitment issues. Cross-platform? You bet. Build once, deploy everywhere. Linux, macOS, Windows, Android, iOS. It's like a universal remote for your apps. No more juggling multiple codebases like hot potatoes. Inter-process communication. Easy peasy. Front-end in JavaScript, heavy lifting in Rust, and some Swift and Kotlin for deep integrations. It's like a multilingual team that actually gets the job done. No more lost in translation bugs. Maximum security? Oh, Tauri takes it seriously. Built with Rust, it's like your app has its own personal bodyguard. No bugs, no breaches, just pure safety. Because who needs drama in their code? Minimal size? Absolutely. Using the native web renderer, your Tauri app starts at just 600 KB. Say goodbye to bloated apps that make devices groan and hello to sleek, efficient performance. Light on disk space, heavy on functionality. Powered by Rust, the language of speed and security. It's like giving your app a turbo boost while keeping it bulletproof. Rust plus Tauri. A match made in coding heaven. So there you have it, Tauri in 100 seconds. Build cross-platform apps without the bloat. Ready to slim down your apps and keep your sanity? Dive into Tauri and transform your projects. If you enjoyed this whirlwind tour with SaaS, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech fun, and hit the bell so you never miss out. Until next time, keep your code lean and your jokes leaner. Happy coding!